a updated, or like I wouldn't say updated, but I have a room tour for you guys. I know I said that I would eventually film a room tour, so I have filmed a quick room tour. I've moved around some stuff since the last few videos that you guys have seen as far as me cleaning my room. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Shellicaa or Shelly. Check out all my other home videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. And as usual, thank you for all the support, and see you guys later. Bye guys. Okay, so as you enter my bedroom, this is what it looks like as you walk in. Then to this side you have this. This I actually got from, oh my gosh, I forgot where I got this from. I forgot, but I'll remember and I'll list it if I can find it. But you come in, and then to the left there is this bookshelf right here, and the pictures I actually print them off of Pinterest. So, and then this I actually made myself. I got these from Dollar Tree, and then this from Hobby Lobby. So I actually made that myself, and I'm gonna take that off. So there, and then that is one closet space. Now that I'm not gonna go in, that's where I have my work stuff. So that closet I made into my little quote-unquote work office. And then right there you have a little chair, a table, and the lamp. Now for all the stuff that's from Amazon, I will list them on my Amazon storefront, and I do have an Amazon storefront. So if you guys are interested and you do click on the item and purchase anything, I will I do make a commission off of them, just to let you guys know. If you click, then that does happen, so just that you guys are aware. And then as you turn, that's the door. This is the second closet right here. Now the second closet is kind of not that organized. I have it as best as I can because of course I'm working with one closet, so it's a little messy. But I have it as organized as I can, and these I actually got from Target, so I will list those for you. And then as we go, then we have those again, everything from Amazon. These I actually got from Amazon, and I had got them from the Amazon warehouse for $19 a piece, and I actually DIY'd it myself. Of course, my Bible, I always have my Bible. This also I got from Amazon, and I will link it if it's available. And there's a second one to that. This I actually got from Z Gallery, and this is a little dusty. I've been trying to get the dust off of it. That I got from Kirkland's, and then the other one right there. And of course you guys have seen this in my haul before. And then my gallery wall, which I actually printed those off Pinterest. I got the frames from Michael's. These I got for Amazon. I did those, made those myself. I got the pictures from Amazon. I got that from Home Goods, and again Pinterest, and I got the frames from Michael. And my mirror, which I'm looking all here all messed up, but it is what it is. My picture, or my mirror, I actually got that from Kirkland's. And if I can find that, I'll list it. Those lanterns, I actually got those from Aldi's, and they were $6.99 a piece. I actually made that plant stand, and my plant is dying. And then as you come, this is my bed. Now my bed I actually got from Rooms to Go, and all these actual covers I got them from Amazon. Again, I will list them below. Those two pictures right here, I got them from Home Goods. These I got from Ross. And then of course my picture or my mirror right here, I actually got the picture from Ross and I DIY'd it myself, right there. And then this I actually made also. This is from Dollar Tree, of course, Dollar Tree, and I DIY'd it myself. These I got from Joann's. Actually, I got those from Joann's. This is from IKEA, and again, I DIY'd it myself. That is from Target, and it's a little unorganized with my perfumes and all that. And then the little storage containers are from Target, which I need to get a few more. And that's about it. So that's my bedroom. And then actually these I got from Amazon. So those as well, these curtains I got from Amazon. And I actually got them from the Amazon warehouse. Guys, do not sleep on the Amazon warehouse. And again, if I can find them, I will link them for you on my Amazon storefront. And it was two panels in the packages, and I paid less than, I think, $15 for them. So let me go around. And then I think my TV I've had this TV for about 5 years. So yeah, that I've had for 5 years. Go around. And then my mats, I've had them for a very long time. I got those from Ross. The lamp I got from Ross, and I have 2 of those. Again, this chair right here I got from Amazon. The pillow covers, of course, Amazon. And remember I was telling you guys about the candle in one of my favorites, was that is already finished. And these is actually from where did I get those? From IKEA. I got those from IKEA. And then I got that frame down there that I'm not sure what I'm gonna put that, but I'm gonna be moving anyways to a bigger place. But that is that. That of course you guys have seen in one of my haul. I got that from Burlington, Ross, and I print that out. Let me kind of cover it. I don't know if I get demonetized for that. And then my son, and I almost fell, Amazon, and I will link that. That I got from Joann's, and I just kind of made my little, thing with those from Dollar Tree. And then that I actually got from Z Gallery. These I got from Michael's. And then that is from Walmart. And again, the door, the other closet. And then walk around. I love my actual wall. So when I move, I'm gonna switch it up, but I'm gonna keep the black and white theme going with a hint of gold. And go around. And again, with the bed, I got it from Rooms to Go, and I will list it below. This is from Target. This is from Burlington. But yeah, always keep a Bible in my room. I have one in my living room, and I'll do an updated living room tour because I kind of switched it around, changed up some stuff, added some stuff, and yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed my updated room tour. Says if I kind of change some stuff around, and like I said, for all the stuff I can find, I will link them below, and I'll also have the stuff that I got from Amazon linked on my Amazon storefront. And that's about it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.